a professor that said I didn't have the pedigree or ideas or skill set to sort of work in any sort of important context. Getting a project with Nike is like almost impossible, but I did it in my own way.
It's all like an open book diary for me to be myself. You know, I'm just a kid from the US skating. That's like where I came from.
So if you're into streetwear or fashion culture at all, you know the huge amount of hype that Off-White has. But before all the hype, before all the Nike collaborations, before every rapper shouted it out,
I just put up in LA when I Off-White. I can't even
ICVS ones, Off-White V-Long ones.
The neck did not toast it, all white on my jeans, and you know I stay flossed. Find my way out in my
shirt. I seen you wearing Off-White, but you know I bought it first.
there was just a man named Virgil Abloh with a dream. Virgil Abloh was born September 30th in Rockford, Illinois. He went to a Catholic high school, graduating in 1998, then graduated from University of Wisconsin in 2002. And in 2006, he received his Master of Architecture at the Illinois Institute of Technology. And in 2009, he interned at Fendi in the same class as Kanye West. And then the two began a collaborative relationship. A year later, West made Virgil Abloh the creative director of Donda. And if you don't know what Donda is a company founded by Kanye West under his mom's name. In 2011, Kanye asked Virgil to become the creative director of Kanye West and Jay-Z's Watch the Throne album. And a year later, in 2012, Virgil Abloh created his own company, Pyrex Vision. Now, Pyrex Vision was a small boutique full of streetwear. He would purchase dead stock clothing from Ralph Lauren for $40. He would screen print designs on them and sell them upward to $550. Unfortunately, he closed the company down about a year later. For him, it was more of an artistic experiment. Now, 2013 to 2017, Off-White starts to get some mainstream success. Here's a quote from Virgil Abloh himself. In a large part, streetwear is seen as cheap. What my goal has been is to add an intellectual layer to it and make it credible. Now, that was Abloh's inspiration for creating Off-White. Founded his first fashion house and second business overall in 2013 with the high-end streetwear brand Off-White. Based in Milan, Italy, the company was described by Virgil Abloh as the gray area between black and white, as the color Off-White, to investors and fashion critics. Now, in 2014, he launched the company's women's line at Paris Fashion Week. His line was selected as a finalist for the LVMH prize as an industry award, but unfortunately fell short. Shortly after that, he opened his first concept store in Tokyo, Japan, and that is where he started the company's furniture arm. Then in 2017, he was asked to design a new collection in conjunction with Nike, entitled The 10, where he redesigned a variety of the company's best-selling shoes. Virgil also partnered up with the Swedish furniture company IKEA to design furniture for apartments and houses. Now, the company will be named Markred, which in Swedish means clear cut. And if you're interested in that releases in 2019. Now, Virgil employs quotation marks in order to convey ironic detachment from society and social norms. Then on March 25th, 2018, Abloh was named Artistic Director of Louis Vuitton's menswear ready-to-wear line, marking him the first African-American descent to lead the brand's menswear line, as well as one of the few black designers of the helm of a major French fashion house. Upon his acceptance of this position, he stated, "It is an honor for me to accept this position. I find the heritage and creative integrity of the house are key inspirations and will look to reference them both while drawing parallels to modern times." Now, since then, Abloh has been in very high demand for his designs, creating a design for Serena Williams to wear throughout the 2018 US Open with Nike. So that wraps it up for me. I hope you guys learned a little something about Off-White and Virgil Abloh. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you are not already. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.